Hey guys, it's Toys and welcome to the first video on my channel. Today we will be opening and reviewing the LEGO Marvel set Crossbones Hazard Heist. This is set number 76050. It is recommended for ages 6 to 12 and has 179 pieces. This set also comes with 3 minifigures, which are Black Widow, Falcon, and Crossbones. Here's a look at the back of the box. It even includes a Captain America Civil War comic book. Now let's open it to see what is inside. So here is part 2, here are the instructions, our stickers, and we have, oh, this is our comic book and bag 1. So let's start building. So there, I have finished building it. Here's Crossbones. Here's Falcon, Black Widow and her bike. And here's the Jeep. Cinematic time. Here's a preview of the comic book. So there you guys have it. Set 76050, Crossbones Hazard Heist, done.